Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this smushy nail and freehand nail design. So the polishes I'm using is this neon yellow by Oily called Key Lime Twist, a neon orange by China Glaze, and it's called Sun Worshipper. It's a really pretty neon. And then I'm going to apply this hollow glitter by Oily called Shine On Crazy Diamond. I love this glitter. It's so pretty. Now using a clear jelly stamper, I'm going to apply the neon yellow and the neon pink. I just thought that this color was so fun. It's like a bright, I'm doing a lot of summer colors and it's the perfect summer nail design. You can add other colors if you want. I just love this two color combos together. Now using my other nail stamp, I'm just going to blend the colors together to create the smushy design. And I'm going to apply it on my nails. Now make sure that you can see the difference in the colors because these colors are kind of similar to one another. I wanted to be able to see the difference in the yellow and the neon orange. Now as you can see, I removed the liquid latex and I cleaned around my nails, and then I applied the glitter. I wanted to apply the glitter under the design because I just thought it looked really cute, and if I would have did the design and then applied the glitter, it wouldn't have gave it up the effect that it finally had. Now this freehand nail design is really easy. It's simple. This was like one of my first nail designs that I ever did. It's really easy and simple. It's quick. You can add as many lines as you want to, and it's just something that you can do, and it really gives you a nice, pretty look to your nails. And then just to complete the look, I added some dots. I haven't added a lot of dots. I haven't done dot videos in a while, so I wanted to add some dots. And I did them, I didn't go overboard. I wanted to do it in between every line, but I said just let me add a couple of dots around the design, not to oversaturate it. But you can add as many dots as you want. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy for you guys to recreate if you want. Here's a finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys next time.